Hey, it's time to 6 again. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego speedboat. Okay, you will need all these pieces. This one, oh, sorry. And this one, and these two, these two. Okay, first of all, you start out with this piece. Take this one, put your light switch on it. Put this up here. Like that. Then you take this piece, put it up here, and two of these. Put them up here, this, that. Then take two of these, and this piece. Stick it here, like that. Then take this piece, stick it here. This one front, then take your strip thing, put it up here, so we put that here. Then you stick it up here, and you stick this one up so it connects all of these. This. So that's my Lego speedboat, and you can put your Lego person up in here. Like that. Yeah. So he like rides along. And that's my Lego speedboat. Subscribe, and I think you like my video. Bye.